Guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show that how to give microphone access to your Facebook profile, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then come to the menu section by tapping on these two lines in the top right corner. After that, tap at this gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to your settings and privacy section, just simply scroll down a little bit until you get the option of device permissions. Just simply tap at device permissions. Here you can find the option of microphone. So give access to your Facebook profile about microphone. Just simply tap at see information, tap at update settings, and tap at open device settings. It will be redirect you to your mobile phone setting. Here you can see that. Just simply tap at permissions on the second number. That's where you can easily find the microphone option to allow to your Facebook app. Just simply tap at microphone. Here you can that's up to you which option you want to choose, ask every time or allow only while using the app. If you tap at ask every time, whenever you will be use microphone on your Facebook, it will ask you for that. And if you tap at allow only while using the app, whenever you will be using this app, it will be allowed that specific access to your Facebook profile. So that's how you can easily give microphone permission or access to your Facebook profile. So from here you can also give to phone or nearby devices or whatever. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question, just leave in comment section below and I'll be cut on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. And if you think that this video has helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video.